What are some of the questions you should ask a data recovery company before you hire them? Number one, you should ask them about the price. How do they charge and how much will it cost? Having a no fix, no fee policy is popular with most data recovery companies, but it's also not fair. Often a data recovery company will charge you an upfront fee because they have to buy spare parts or spend a lot of time on a difficult recovery with a low chance of success. But it's important to get that information up front so everything is transparent and clear before you start. The next thing you should ask them is, who does the actual work? Do they do all the work themselves in their own company, or do they send it to a subcontractor or another company to outsource difficult work to them? That's important for your privacy, so you can make sure you know who has access to your data or where your device is so it doesn't get lost. The last thing you should ask them is, how long have they been in business for? Generally, you'll find that most data recovery companies usually go out of business within 5 years because they're not very good at what they do and they can't survive because the success rate's very low. If you find a data recovery company that's been around for more than 10 years, chances are they're very good at what they do and they're good at customer service.